Alright, what's going on, guys? Victor here with OBS Addicts, back at it again with another video. Today we're not gonna be working on the OBS. Today we got a little something different. Alright? Yeah, some of y'all might not like it, but it's a Ford F-150. Alright, so here it is, a Ford F-150. This is a 5.4 3-valve. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, so my muffler fell today.
Oh, fucking exhaust fell off. However, upgrade.
So I had my white pipe fell on me. It ripped open. And then this muffler has a hole in it too. That's a Black Widow. So I got a brand new white pipe. I got it welded on. Don't mind the weld. This is my first time welding in like 5 years or whatever. Yeah, so I'm gonna be installing this Borla Pro XS. See how that sounds. And then yeah. Let me get to it. Alrighty, so this is what I have right now. I just gotta weld the other pipe. This one. By the way, it's a full 3-inch pipe from the manifolds back. So from right here back, it's 3-inch. I still haven't decided what I want to do on the exit. I don't know if I'm gonna put an exhaust tip in the back. They used to have a side exit right here. I don't know. Or I might just put down pipes. Not sure yet. We'll see. Alrighty, so the truck is pretty much finished. Except this part right here, I gotta connect it. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's real quick and get a piece of pipe to fix that. But it's pretty much connected. I ended up doing a down pipe. That's it. Instead of exhaust tip, just do that. And I did it right before the wheel. Should sound good. We'll see. Well, alrighty. I done finished the truck, finally.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You know, the moon is out and stuff. But anyways, here's the first start. Now, the engine is a little warm because I started earlier. So you're not going to get a cold start right now. But tomorrow I'll make sure to, when I wake up, I'll make sure to get a cold start of it. But here you go. So there it is. It's pretty quiet, even though the exhaust is short and it's full 3-inch, you know, with no catalytic converters. Oh yeah, since I said that, I gotta say this is off-road use only. Okay, but anyways, yeah, it's pretty quiet for it being just like that. Let me set y'all up here. It's currently the next day, and since we didn't get a cold start clip yesterday, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I'm gonna see if I can get some sound clips for y'all. Here, let me put you on the exhaust side. get a few sound clips right now. This is just cruising. Oh shit, my parking brake. There you go. This is just cruising. Can't really hear it. I have the windows down, by the way, all of them. Can't really hear it right now. So 20. There you go. Just a little acceleration, nothing too crazy. Too bad. Hopefully I hear more than just wind noise. Let's give this another try. That's pretty much it. I couldn't get some outside shots, but once I do, I'll probably upload them to a short or something. Yeah, but with that being said, you know, make sure you drop a like, leave a comment or something, subscribe. I would appreciate it, and we'll get back to working on the OBSs soon. Right now, I'm working on a crashed project, and it's a pretty good how-to. You know, if you bend your frame or whatever and you think it's the end of the world and it's totaled, it's probably not, unless you roll it over and you need a new cab or something. Then you're kind of fucked. Sometimes you could always replace it. That's a lot of work, unless it's like sentimental. But anyways, with that being said, peace out.
I swear I be talking, but nobody wanna hear me. Mama, I'm so hard.